don't do this at home. Don't be crazy like me. Hey loves, today we're going to talk about hair extensions. I'm going to talk to you about how I dyed my hair pink. We're going to go kind of through how I went from dark brown to pink, and then we're also going to cover me dyeing my hair extensions. I'm wearing tape-ins right now, and then also getting my hair extensions applied. Of course, these are VP Fashion tape-in hair extensions. You can always use my code if you ever want to. It is an affiliate code. The code is KICK to save $10. Sometimes there are special promotions where you will save more than $10, but the general, all the time, want to save $10 thing is good with the code KICK. I'm also doing a giveaway in this video, so just stay tuned till the end, and I will tell you how to win either clip-ins, tape-ins, or a $50 gift card. Of course, you can always check down below if you don't want to sit through this entire video because it's going to be a long one. It's going to be a long one. So, okay, let's just hop right in. We're going to start with why I changed my hair, how I changed my hair, and all of those things, okay? So let's jump into that. Okay, so as you guys know, for the last 11 months, I have been brunette. I am naturally a brunette. I naturally have dark brown hair. I like brown hair on me, like in person. I don't really like it when I'm filming. Something about the way the light hits and like me being so fair, like it just, I don't know, it's not my favorite. I love having bright hair. I love having pink hair. Pink is like the color that I feel like my hair should be. For like about 3 years, I was pastel or bright colored in one way or another. I was always changing my hair. And finally, I hit the point where my hair was just done. It was done. I went in to do my roots when I was pastel pink, and I felt like I lost a lot of hair, and I was just like, okay, I need to do something. I need to make a momentary change. I need to do something for my hair. So I went back to brunette. You guys saw me go through like changing the colors of the ends. I've been using tape-ins. I do feel like my hair has grown more during the course of using tape-ins than just using the clip-ins. I don't know. I've also been eating much healthier and like just a lot better since I moved, and I have noticed a difference in my hair from just eating better, treating it better, so many different things. So during the course of it being brown, I did treat it really well. I did Olaplex treatments. I only ever dyed my roots. There was a few products. It was like the Nexxus. I'll put in a picture because it's upstairs and I don't want to bring all these products downstairs. So there was like the Nexxus one that I feel like really made a difference on the ends, but the products I've been using in the last few months that I really started to see growth in my hair, like my natural hair, this is a piece of my natural hair. So the fact that my natural hair has gotten that long and gone through all of this processing in the last like few weeks and it's still there is insane. It's insane. Plus I just got a haircut because I wanted to trim the ends that were already damaged from my previous dyeing. So I had used the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Hair Oil. That has been a lifesaver. And it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Treatment. Those have done me a lot of good. Something I didn't used to do was hydrate my ends every single day, and now I hydrate my ends of my natural hair every single day, and I do think that made a difference with the breakage on the ends. I used to just be like, whatever, I would only wash my hair about once a week, and I thought that was enough. But while you're not washing your hair, the ends are getting drier and drier because they're not close to your scalp. First of all, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not. So take all this advice at your own risk. Don't do these things at home. I definitely recommend going to a hairstylist, but if you're like me and you know your hair and you take all your precautions, then we're good. Went through that, my hair was finally growing, and then I just hit a point where I was like, I need to change. Life's been stressful, a lot of things are going on. You know when you just hit that point where you're just like, I'm done. I'm sick of not loving my hair. And I love my hair right now, which is great. I actually love my hair. I do wish the whole thing was this baby pink that's on the ends, but that's okay. We will get there. Okay, so again, I was doing many Olaplex treatments. I was probably treating it with the step 3 probably once a week for the last month or two. And then I just decided, it's time. So I purchased the Pravana color remover to try and get the brown out. I used it twice. I barely saw a difference. It did lift pretty evenly. Like it made even my darkest roots that shouldn't have lifted, even though it says it's not supposed to lift, it did. It probably lifted a level, maybe 2 levels. That's it. So then after that, I decided, okay, I'm going for the big guns. This is just, it's not working. It's not getting light enough. I knew I was going to have to bleach it, obviously, to get it pink. I purchased the Schwarzkopf Blonde Me and the developer that goes with it. I did purchase a 40 volume because I am using Olaplex. That makes it about a 30 volume because if you add the Olaplex, it does decrease it. Plus, I knew I was going to coat my hair in coconut oil. So every time that I have bleached my hair, I technically have done it 3 times. I've technically done it 3 times now. Don't do this at home. Don't be crazy like me. But what I would do is I would put the coconut oil on, leave it on for hours at a time, minimum of 2 hours, and then I would just go ahead and mix up my bleach with my Olaplex and put that on top. So that is how I slowly lightened this. There are still some yellow tones, especially in the back. So there's still some yellow tones in my hair. It's not perfect by any means. It's not as light as I would like it to be. I also never left it on for the full processing time. Each time I just waited until I could tell a difference and then I washed it out. That's just, I think it was just a state of panic. Like, don't be bald, Shannon. That was the whole point of being brunette for 11 months, was to not be bald. So as careful as it could be, I was. So then, and every single time after I would bleach it, I would do an Olaplex treatment. I would make sure it was very hydrated, and I was ready. I was just, you know, when you hit that point, you're like, I need a change now. I'm gonna do whatever I have to do. I don't think any hairstylist would have done that to my hair. And sometimes you just have to take matters into your own hands. And my hair feels fine. I think that 11 months did it really well. I would space out the bleaches much further than I did. And then the colors I used, I mixed Sparks Rad Raspberry with Arctic Fox Virgin Pink, and then some conditioner as well. I just always like to hydrate. And I did, when I put it on my hair, I put Olaplex in that mixture as well, just because I was like, girl, all the Olaplex you can get. If you are not a licensed stylist, you can order it on Amazon. I actually bought mine through Overstock this time, and it was a much better deal. And I don't know, it seems to be making a difference, so it seems legit. Of course, if you could have your stylist purchase it for you or go to a stylist to use Olaplex, I definitely recommend that, because it's definitely at your own risk. You don't know, it could be a counterfeit product. I saw some on eBay for like $14. That can't be real. The stuff is expensive. That can't be real. Don't order from eBay. If you've ordered Olaplex from eBay and it's been legit, let me know down below, just because I'm curious. So anyway, we are going to get into my hair extensions. So I have chosen to use tape-in hair extensions again this time. You know, when you just want to do something to make yourself better about yourself. This is me doing that. I wanted to be pink, so I made it happen. So the extensions I'm using again are VP Fashion. They are the tape-ins. I dyed them. You will see in this video. Let's get into that right now. Why don't we get into the dyeing session right now, and then we will move on to actual application, and then we'll wrap this thing up. All right, love, so now we are going to discuss the giveaway. All right, so all you have to do is be a subscriber. That's it, be a subscriber. And then down below, I want you to leave a 1 if you want to win clip-ins, a 2 if you want to win tape-ins, and a 3 if you want to win the $50 gift card. All these are obviously VP Fashion, so you win, I think it's a 160 grams, 20-inch set of clip-ins, 1 pack of tape-ins. I will leave down below more videos about hair because I do have one where I compare tape-ins to clip-ins and go through all the pros and cons, so I won't bore you with that in this video. If you really don't care, like if you win tape-ins, clip-ins, or a gift card and you just want to win, you can just put 1, 2, 3, or you can just leave a comment. If you just want to leave a comment down below, if you have a preference, please leave that. But if you don't care and you just want to win, just let me know down below. This video could be 1,000 minutes long, so I'm going to stop rambling. But yes, let me know what you want to win down below. Again, I'll leave all the products I talked about down below. And one more time, I am not a hairstylist. Be very, very careful. This is just the method that I used. I'm sorry I didn't film myself actually dyeing it. It was just such a long process. Start slow, be patient. Don't do what I did, but sometimes you just need to. And if you know, like I was like, as long as I have enough hair left that I can wear extensions, I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you don't really care about hair. If you guys want to see a hairstyling video, I was thinking about doing that. I always wear my hair the same. I did a video a long time ago, but it's definitely outdated. So if you guys want any other hair videos, let me know what kind you want down below. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And again, you have to be a subscriber to win this giveaway. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting my hair change. I know a lot of you are very excited and a lot of you were very disappointed when I went brown. I was too, it's okay. Actually, for like 2 minutes, I loved it. And even towards the end, I liked it, but like, this is me. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Spacing out those bleaches. By the way, I look like I'm ready for Christmas. I look like I'm ready for Christmas. Wow. But yeah. So I had a stranger come up to me at work and they were just like, I love your hair. This is you. I don't know you, but I can tell this is just, that hair is you. And it's true. It's true. It's me.